Go worship at Emmanuel's feet. See in his face what wonders meet. Earth is too narrow to express his worth, his glory, or his grace. The whole creation can afford but some faint shadows of my Lord. Nature to make his beauties known must mingle colors not her own. Is he compared to wine or bread? Dear Lord, our souls would thus be fed. That flesh, that dying blood of thine is bread of life, is heavenly wine. Is he a tree the world receives salvation from his healing leaves? That righteous branch, that fruitful bough, is David's root and offspring too. Is he a rose not Sharon yields such fragrancy in all her fields? Or if the lily he assumed, the valleys bless the rich perfume. Is he a vine, his heavenly root supplies the boughs with life and fruit? Oh, let a lasting union join my soul to Christ, the living vine. Is he a head, each member lives and owns the vital power he gives? The saints below and saints above, joined by his spirit and his love. Is he a fountain? There I bathe and heal the plague of sin and death. These waters all my soul renew and cleanse my spotted garments too. Is he a fire? He'll purge my dross, but the true gold sustains no loss. Like a refiner shall he sit and tread the refuse with his feet. Is he a rock? How firm he proves! The rock of ages never moves, yet the sweet streams that from him flow attend us all the desert through. Is he a way he leads to God? The path is drawn in lines of blood. There would I walk with hope and zeal till I arrive at Zion's hill. Is he a door? I'll enter in. Behold, the pastures large and green, a paradise divinely fair. None but the sheep have freedom there. Is he designed the cornerstone for men to build their heaven upon? I'll make him my foundation too, nor fear the plots of hell below. Is he a temple I adore, the indwelling majesty and power, and still to his most holy place whene'er I pray I'll turn my face. Is he a star? He breaks the night, piercing the shades with dawning light. I know his glories from afar. I know the bright, the morning star. Is he a sun? His beams are grace, his course is joy and righteousness. Nations rejoice when he appears to chase their clouds and dry their tears. Oh, let me climb those higher skies where storms and darkness never rise, where he displays his powers abroad and shines and reigns the incarnate God. Nor earth nor seas nor sun nor stars nor heaven his full resemblance bears. His beauties we can never trace till we behold him face to face.